In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now tap on Display and Brightness over here. Scroll down a tiny bit and hit Font. Now operate this slider under font size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. When you're ready to save your changes, hit Apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!